You don't have to eat boring chicken and rice every single day if you want to lose weight. I'm here to show you that losing weight and eating healthier does not have to be boring. This is a high protein, low calorie barbecue chicken mac and cheese, and I bet you never thought those words would ever come out of my mouth. Let's try it. This is incredible. I absolutely love this dish. I could eat this every single day without getting bored, and that's what my whole page is about. So if you like this video, and if you want to see more recipes, hit that like, comment, and subscribe for more future videos just like this. And my dad's the harshest food critic I know, so at the end of this video, I'm gonna see if he likes this or not. Here we have 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast. Cut them up into cubes. Season your chicken with a seasoning salt of choice. Alternatively, you can use the seasonings in the caption below. Some paprika, and it's optional, but some cumin as well. Bring 4 cups of water to a boil and season with some salt. Once your water begins to boil, add around 2 cups of elbow macaroni to the water. Now just follow the cooking instructions on the back of the box. While your pasta is cooking, we're gonna get to work on cooking the chicken. Preheat a large nonstick skillet on high for around 4 to 5 minutes. You want it smoking hot. Spray it with a little bit of avocado oil spray. Make sure you don't overcrowd your pan. Work in batches if you need to. Sear your chicken for 3 to 4 minutes per side. Now to our chicken, we're gonna add a couple tablespoons of sugar-free barbecue sauce and a couple tablespoons of honey. You can adjust the amounts based on your preference. And there we have our honey barbecue chicken. You can literally add this to anything from wraps, eat it with some rice. But for the ultimate indulgent experience, we're gonna serve this alongside some mac and cheese. To a blender or food processor, add around 1 cup of low-fat cottage cheese. This is optional, but I'm gonna add half a tablespoon of minced garlic. Let's be real, garlic makes everything better. Add a couple of tablespoons of unsweetened almond milk. This is gonna give our cottage cheese a better consistency when we blend it up. And now blend it up until it's smooth like this. This is the consistency we're looking for. Now we're gonna make our lower calorie cheese sauce. I guarantee you this is gonna blow you away. To a pan on low heat, add 1 cup of chicken broth. Now, if you don't have any chicken broth, you can add around a tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder to 1 cup of water and taste and adjust to make sure it's not too salty. Once your chicken broth begins to simmer, add 2 of these light Laughing Cow wedges. Doesn't look the most appealing right now, but just trust the process. At this point, you want to add back your pasta and continue mixing. Add 3 slices of Velveeta cheese, your whipped cottage cheese, and around half a package of this mac and cheese powder. And now we're just gonna fill up our meal prep container. Add mac and cheese to one side and the barbecue chicken to the other. And what I love about this recipe is it's perfect for meal prep. Throw it in the fridge and it stays in the fridge for 4 to 5 days. Alternatively, you can freeze them for a few weeks. And there you have it, barbecue chicken mac and cheese. Dad, come on, come taste it.
Oh,
No way. Dad, I already said, just come try it real quick. Just come real quick, it's rolling, just come. All right, my dad's gonna try it and let me know how it is. Get the chicken too.
Oh wow, that's good. Cheesy, soft, very well balanced. I like it. Yeah.
Garlic.
Garlicky. Oh wow, that's good.
Let's try it. To me, the garlic really took this to the next level. The mac and cheese is creamy and soft. It reminds me of a basic mac and cheese. I can't even really tell the difference, to be honest. I absolutely love this dish. I could eat this every single day without getting bored, and that's what I'm here to do. I'm here to show you that losing weight and eating healthier does not have to be boring. And that's what my whole page is about. So if you like this video, and if you want to see more recipes, hit that like, comment, and subscribe for more future videos just like this.